Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Adrian, this is Kinesiology 111. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm gonna go back here into announcements. Had a student point out that the Check for Learning 1 didn't have any questions in it. And like many things dealing with the computer, that was all user error. So I had transferred over my, I have an entire library full of quiz questions and test questions that I've made up over time. And I transferred over, and when it transferred over, for whatever reason, it didn't transfer the questions. I don't know why, but the fault is still to me because I should have double checked that, and I didn't see any test questions in there. So you should have received a new announcement of a new test, and that's for Check for Learning 1. Now, I'm going to open it right now to make sure it's there. And if we begin, there are the questions. Okay, so it is there. We are all good to go. And that's fine. I didn't answer anything. That CFL 1, I'm pushing the, I made sure the due date's not pushing it. I made sure the due date was the 20th. So June 20th by 11:59 p.m. is when you have to have that in. It's actually right here, due date, June 20th, 11:59. So that's one. The other thing is I had somebody who was new to class and had to join class late. And so as a result, this individual was not able to get the posts and responses for the workouts in. And because I'm a heck of a guy, I went ahead and opened up post and response 1, post and response 2, and post and response 1 and 2 will be available until the end of the week. And that'll put us at, over here, the 18th. So post and response 1 and 2 will be unlocked until the 18th at 11:59 p.m. And Check for Learning 1 is open, available, and has questions in it, and that's due by the 20th at 11:59 p.m. All right, guys, I hope you're doing all right. I'm about ready to go in and grade the post and responses that are there right now. Remember, for full points, you have to do a post and a response. That's why it's called and referred to as post and response. I hope your workouts are going well. We're still in a little bit of a hot stretch, so make sure you're hydrating. Pay attention to the notes in class, and that should help you along the way for your workouts. You guys have a good one, and I'll see you later.